Android One, which differentiates the Mi A2 with other Xiaomi phones, now gets Android Pie official update along with some performance improvements. In this video, we'll check out the impressions and the camera performance of Mi A2 and see if it justifies the price tag of 16,000 rupees. So before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my future videos. Now let's get started. The design and build quality is similar to other Xiaomi phones in this segment, and it does feel premium, especially in red color. It does get a huge camera bump on the back, so always try to use a case which will give your phone some protection. This phone also gets USB-C port and support fast charging, but no headphone jack is surely a compromise. At least a dongle for USB-C to 3.5mm jack is included in the box, not like. Another compromise you notice is no hybrid slot and you only see dual nano SIM card support. Sorry SD card, you don't have any room here. On front you get 20 megapixel camera and notification LED with all regular sensors. As with all Android One devices, the interface is clean and smooth with no bloatware whatsoever. All the native Android Pie features are included, like the new navigation gestures, but it is disabled and is hidden under Settings, System, Gestures, and turn on Swipe Up Home button. If you want to find all the Android 9 features, then check out the card appearing on your screen or check out the link in the description below. The performance is quite impressive with Snapdragon 660 on top of Android One interface. The app loading time is fast and AI in Snapdragon 660 also help in improving the performance on this device. And Google Assistant is always ready to help you with all your queries. Overall performance is better compared to Snapdragon 636 found in Redmi Note 5 Pro and even the latest Redmi Note 6 Pro, which runs on same old Snapdragon 636. The gaming performance is also great with Adreno 512 GPU, and high graphic games like PUBG or Asphalt 9 run pretty well without any frame drops. It does get warm after a few hours of heavy gameplay, but there are no major heating issues. Now let's talk about the highlight of the phone, the cameras. It packs 12 plus 20 megapixel camera with f1.75 aperture. The pictures have good dynamic range and colors are well exposed with good contrast and saturation with natural looking images. But sometimes the shadows are underexposed if you shoot in dark lighting. The portrait mode works well on humans as well as objects too. But selfie portrait always end up smoothing your face even if you turn off beauty mode. But in most aspect, I love the portrait mode on Mi A2. And for videos, you can record up to 4K at 30 FPS. The battery life is average with 3010 mAh capacity. Xiaomi could have pushed the capacity to maybe 4000 mAh battery because it doesn't even have the headphone jack, and that allows the extra space to be utilized for battery. But at the end of the day, you will need to run searching for your charger. So is Mi A2 a good buy at 16,000 rupees? Well, if you want the best camera phone around this price bracket, then definitely with stock Android, this phone is a solid option. But if you want a headphone jack, a bigger battery, and a modern design, then phones like Honor 8X and Realme 2 Pro are still the best budget phones under 15,000 rupees. So that's it from my side, and if you find this video helpful, then like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. Till then, keep loving your gadgets.